Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear system storage on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and go to Storage. On Samsung devices, you can find this under Battery and Device Care, then Storage. Here, you'll see how much space is being used by the system. Keep in mind that some system storage is required by Android and cannot be removed. If the system storage seems unusually high, the first thing you should do is check for a software update. Go back to Settings, tap Software Update, then select Download and Install. Next, review the apps installed on your phone. Open Settings, go to Apps, select apps you don't use, and either clear cache, clear data, or uninstall them if possible. Some pre-installed apps can't be removed, but clearing their cache may help reduce storage usage. Finally, restart your phone after making these changes. This can clear temporary system files and help Android recalculate storage usage. So that's basically how you can clear system storage on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks!